Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: JDK installed and VS Code ready. Now act. Open the project folder in VS Code, then install the Java extension pack if not present. Once done, use Command Palette and run Java. Create Java project to scaffold files. Choose No Build Tools for a simple start or Maven/Gradle for dependency management. Make sure Java home points to the JDK because the extensions rely on it. This avoids later compilation surprises. Next, configure the structure and compile flow. Create src/main/java and a package, then add main. Java with a proper public static void main, string args entry. This tells the JVM where to start. Once your code exists, run the Java, configure Java runtime if needed, and generate launch. JSON via run and debug. This ties build tasks to debug. Make sure tasks. JSON compiles with javac or your build tool, so you can run and step through code smoothly. Finally, run and debug your application. Press run and debug or use the green play icon, set breakpoints to inspect state, then step over or into functions to understand flow. If using Maven or Gradle, add dependencies to POM, XML or build. Gradle and refresh the project. If something fails, check path in Java home first, because most unresolved compiler or runtime errors trace back to a wrong JDK reference. Fixing that usually restores build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.